When you're building out a shop, everyone hits the obvious checklist: the layout, the power requirements, and good lighting. There is one massive luxury that almost always gets left out.
And that's dedicated hot water, specifically an outdoor hot water spigot. If you are cleaning down tools, trucks, or heavy machinery, standard cold water just doesn't cut it. The team at ThermoMate sent over their CZ422LP propane tankless unit. It's a 113,000 BTU powerhouse capable of pushing 4.4 gallons per minute. We're going to use it to bring on-demand hot water right by the bay door. Because this unit is highly compact, it takes up zero floor space. The installation is straightforward. Mount the bracket, connect your incoming water supply, hook up your gas line, and get the vent hole put out. Plug it in to a standard 120 volt outlet to run the digital board and internal exhaust fan. Once it's fired up, you can dial the temperature exactly where you want it, right on this digital touchscreen, all the way up to 149 degrees, which is the sweet spot for breaking down oils. Beyond cleaning parts, it's a game changer for washing down mud gear, rinsing boots, or just washing your hands outside so you don't track grease in the house. Since it has built-in freeze protection, I don't have to worry about the internal copper lines cracking when the temperature drops in the winter. Another massive plus for a quick setup is that this is a non-condensing unit. That means it doesn't produce acidic wastewater during operation, so you don't have to run a dedicated condensation drain line. In this real-world test, you can see on the cold side, the grime sits there and the water beads on it. But on the hot water side, it's not beading up and it's breaking down that grease. It works just like a steam cleaner does. And I threw the thermal camera in the middle because, let's face it, it just kind of looks cool. Now, for a pro tip on long-term maintenance, you're going to want to use isolation valves. These are great for maintenance, so you can clean out the scale from the unit that builds up over time. It makes it where you can easily shut off the incoming and outgoing water supply with an isolated system so you can run cleaner through your unit.
If you are designing, building, or upgrading a workspace, do yourself a favor and do not forget to plumb a hot water line to the outside. Big thanks to ThermoMate for sponsoring this build. You can find the link to the water heater, the venting kit, and the isolation valves in the description below. Smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.